In the times of COVID, hopefully you and your family are doing good. Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Vinos YH. In this video, we are going to witness the unboxing of 13-inch MacBook Pro, where I'll be walking you through the look and feel of it, the tech spec it has to offer, an extra accessory that you might think of considering while purchasing, a tip for the charging wire, and my personal experience that might help you in getting little extra discount while purchasing the MacBook Pro. So let's get started. There are majorly two variants, MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Again, MacBook Pro 13-inch and 16-inch are displayed separately in the stores or in the website. MacBook Air do not have touch bar. It comes with 14 nits brightness. It has only one fan inbuilt. All these variants come with two colors in common, which is silver and space gray. The extra color that MacBook Air offers is a golden color. Each of these three variants are again segregated into two different models. One comes with 256 SSD, 8-core GPU and 8-core CPU with 16-core neural engine. The other model is 512 SSD with 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU and 16GB neural engine. Along with this, you can also customize up to 2TB SSD in 13-inch, whereas in the 16-inch you can go up to 8TB SSD and 64GB RAM. Now let's see what is beneath this box. We have opted for space gray color. Beneath you have an envelope where it says designed by Apple in California, which consists of user manual, two Apple logos, an adapter with USB-C port at one end, and it comes with 61 watts, which is huge pump to your battery when plugged in. Last but not least in the box, an USB-C type cable at both the ends. On the sides to the right you have one 3.5mm headphone jack, and onto the left you have two Thunderbolt USB 4 port. Whereas for MacBook 16-inch you have 4 of such USB ports. On the back side, near the hinge of monitor and keyboard, you have two fans which will help you to bring cooling airflow to critical components. As soon as you flip the lid, you get to see a trackpad, a magic keyboard with scissor mechanism, a touch ID and a touch bar. Touch bar on Mac is my personal favorite, which is huge game changer and big leap towards this particular MacBook that I have chosen for. It's very handy to use smileys, familiar gestures like tap, swipe, slide directly on the touch bar to adjust settings, use Siri, access functionality keyboards, and it will also give you a customizations as per the app that you are using. It gives you a shortcuts. You can in common use for things like increase or decrease brightness, increase or decrease volumes to go on mute, access Siri, launchpad, video or music playback options that you have. You can collapse all these things. Awesome, I can say. Coming on to the tech spec, for the first time, all these MacBooks are powered with a small tiny chip with incredible performance, custom technologies and industry leading power efficiency. It's called as Apple M1. They have designed specifically for Mac, and for the first time it's a huge game changer and it has taken its performance to another level. This M1 is a huge success where they've already introduced onto new coming iPads, iMacs. Sooner or later they might hopefully bring into iPhones as well. It comes with an 8 core CPU and 8 core GPU, which is 5 times faster because of this M1 chip. It comes with a 16 core neural engine powered with Mac OS Big Sur, and for the first time with 61 watts adapter, they have achieved 20 hours of battery life, the longest on any Mac ever. Apple is always known for its security and privacy, and it keeps as top priority for their customers. It comes with Retina display with 500 nits of brilliance and 25% more colors. FaceTime HD camera, 3 mic array. Speakers for this MacBook Pros are present on the either sides of keypad. This is the additional accessory that I was mentioning, which is multi-port adapter. They've only come up with 2 USB ports, which is not at all okay for me personally. So for which I have to choose for an additional plug-in where I can use this device for an USB-C type, one USB type and one HDMI port. But still I feel this lacks and Apple needs to consider on this. As promised in the intro, this is the tip that I was mentioning for USB cable. All that you need is an woolen thread to wrap all over. So I was using in the past and I had to face problem with the USB cable charging ports that we have. The ends tend to break easily, and also on top of that it comes this is all white in color. So to avoid the color fading over the period of time and also avoid the breakages, wrapping this way will help you a lot in longer run. We Indians usually tend to purchase Apple products with the help of friends, families and colleagues who are coming from other countries like USA, Canada, Australia, etc., where we get an additional discount of 15 to 20% when compared to Indian market price. This is the usual option that I hear even or I tried as well. The second option, which is equally beneficial as first option, but very rare chances of happening. If you know any friend who is working with Apple, you get an additional 17% discount for each and every Apple product that you purchase, along with the usual offer that you get when you purchase from offline or online. Third, if you are a student or willing to produce an eligible student ID, you get 7% discount. Fourth, this is applicable along with option 2 and 3, which is 5% HDFC credit or debit card cashback that you get. And this cashback credits only in the 4th month of your 6 months EMI, which is currently running with Imagine. Please do check, the offer keeps varying time to time. And also note, you have to check your eligibility through your HDFC bank customers itself. Imagine can't help on this. So these are the 4 offers that I have personally seen. See what applies to you and purchase accordingly. Apple for the first time also have come up with 3 years warranty plan, which is called as Apple Care Plus. So this for the first time they cover 3 years of warranty to claim 2 times in a year for any external damage as well. There are few terms and conditions that are applicable. Please go through that. This is an additional purchase that you have to do, and I feel if you are willing to opt, it's gonna help you a lot in the longer run for 3 years of time. So this is all about MacBook Pro 13-inch. One thing that I find slightly difficult is the lid of the MacBook Pro tends to flip only to one particular angle. I feel that is a disappointing thing. So they could still increase the angle. So let me know what is that you like Apple to be considered in the next coming MacBooks. Then another thing that I have. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Shit, I did not record. Wait here. Okay.
You said let's get started.
Let's get started.